guys, welcome again to another video. Today I decided to visit Penrith, so I just want to show you how it looks, how beautiful it is, and I'm happy today because we have a great day, sunny, so it's a sunny day, so I just want to show you how it looks. So hope you enjoy this one, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you like this type of content, comment as well. Okay guys, let's go. Right, so here we have leisure center. This is where people park their cars and stuff. As you can see, I'm in the city center now, so let's go this way and we see how it looks. Penrith, it's beautiful, guys. Look at this Ashbury guest house. So that one is a guest house as well. You can come and relax in here. They have a fitness here for those who like to, exercise and, muscles as well. So yeah, let's go, guys. Beautiful. Look at this leisure center. It's big. It's very big. So yeah, nice houses there, private park. All right. Believe me, today we have a beautiful sunny day. I like it. Penrith, England, guys. It's part of Cumbria as well. So yeah, let's see how it is. A lot of guest house around. So here they have Sainsbury. See. As you can see here, New Squares supermarket and town center this way. So yeah, so this is Sainsbury's. Most people come and do their shopping here. Beautiful, guys. Look at this. You have Premier Inn around. A big parking space for the cars. You can park your car in here, no stress. Beautiful. So yeah. Okay. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful in Penrith. So we go down. It's around 11 o'clock in the morning. So I just wanted to take advantage of the weather because today we have a good weather. So here we have the dog back, the dog back. I think it's a restaurant. Yes, it's beautiful. Look at this. Nice places here. You can visit a lot of flowers here, as you can see. Beautiful stuff. Like it, guys. Wow. So we continue with the town inside. Lotus garden, as you can see. Okay, let's go this way. They have hotels as well, B&B, M&S, Mark and Spencer shop here. Veterinary surgery, Mount. They have barber shops, Mount. So the town continues going down like this, as you can see, guys. So I'll try to go as far as down there to show you what's in the city center. Beautiful. Penrith Building Society in here. I like it, guys. As you can see in here, how beautiful it is. Wow. Then this way, yes. So this is the actual city center now. You can see they have a beautiful, nice tower center here. Look how nice it is. Beautiful, guys. We have HSBC there just across the road. Beautiful. It's like these places are full of banks. We have NatWest here around again. Beautiful. So you can go down there as well. Greeks is here, food. It's beautiful, guys. Look at this. In here we have the George Hotel. So the George Hotel. Look how nice it is, guys. Beautiful. It's very nice and clean. The town is very clean, guys. Beautiful as well. I like it, really. Wow, I didn't know Penrith is this beautiful, guys. It is really beautiful. A lot is happening here. This is Penrith, guys. England. Look at this, guys. Believe me, the weather is perfect today. It's very good. Touristic information here. The water of life. You can see here, Penrith is unusual because it doesn't stand on the banks of a major river. More water had to be brought here 600 years ago to support the growing town and its industries. As you can see, guys, besides Theka Beck, I don't know, look to your right to see Theka Beck in about 1400. What was diverted along here and into town from the river Petra. To the north, this was the idea of William Strickland, who later became Bishop of Carlisle. As you can see, guys, that's the history here. So let's go down again. Really, the town is beautiful architectural buildings rich history. Perfect, as you can see, guys. We have a church down there, as you can see there. Beautiful, guys. Wow. So guys, as you can see today, I'm in Penrith and the weather is perfect. So don't forget to like, share and comment if you like this type of content. So I'm going to continue with part 2, guys. So stay tuned. Bye for now.